Our decadent chocolate slab cake layered with chocolate pudding, cherry filling, and 2 whipped creams, assembled trifle style. A sweet way to guarantee happy holidays. It's our scrumptious Black Forest Trifle. Think of this as the Black Forest torte we didn't make. Instead, this scrumptious, show-stopping dessert is done trifle style. It truly is this season's holiday dessert game changer. Now, for best results, we want you to do 3 components the day before you intend to serve. Why don't I just show you how to make it? Let's start by crafting a chocolate slab cake. Our decadent chocolate slab is so easy to make. Standard dry ingredients into a big bowl. Note, we're adding lots of cocoa. Then some wet ingredients, milk, eggs, oil, even a cup of coffee for some mocha notes. We're gonna whisk to combine, then pour into a parchment-lined baking pan and bake. One of the easiest, most delicious homemade chocolate cakes ever. When it's done, cool completely, cover until the next day. The next component, almond-scented cherry filling. Moderate heat. Into a medium-sized pot, we're adding 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, do a pinch of salt, then add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. We're going to stir to dissolve the sugar and cornstarch, then add 1 bag of frozen pitted cherries. That's about 5 cups or 600 grams. Stir them in, continue to stir until the mixture comes to a boil and it thickens. When it has thickened, the filling is done. We're going to transfer it to a bowl and cover with wrap. Push the wrap down tight to the surface. Last make-ahead component, how about a chocolate pudding? Our chocolate pudding begins with dark chocolate melted in a pot with milk. In a second pot, cornstarch, sugar, cocoa powder, espresso powder, and then we're going to add eggs. Once that cooled chocolatey mixture gets added, it's like magic, over to stovetop. The pudding will thicken before you know it. We're going to transfer it to a bowl, add wrap tight to the surface. You can chill your pudding till the next day. Pro tip, ingredient lists and full directions are up at weekendatthecottage.com. You can reference our full story when you go to make this delicious dessert at home for the holidays. Now, next day, a few hours before you intend to serve, take a dark chocolate bar using a vegetable peeler, draw it along the edge. Instant little chocolate curls for garnish. Good idea to have a sprig or 2 of fresh mint at the ready as well. Remember the chocolate slab cake? We're taking it out of the pan, cutting it into cubes, maybe 1-inch square. Sizing doesn't need to be perfect. You can transfer the pieces of cake to a bowl. Next, the whipped cream. We're going to do 2 flavors. The first one is 1 cup of 35% cream. We're going to whip it good, set it to the side. Now, how about number 2, a flavored mocha whipped cream. Watch this. A 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, a teaspoon of instant espresso powder. Then whisk in 1.5 cups of 35% cream, that's whipping or heavy cream. We're gonna whip it good. Check it out, chocolate mocha whipped cream. Now we get to assemble our Black Forest Trifle. Are you getting excited? Just wait until you make it at home. We suggest using a traditional footed trifle bowl. I'll be serving in similar looking bowls, beauty. To begin, let's add a layer of the chocolate cake cubes. Then spoon in some cherry filling. Next, some generous spoonfuls of the chocolate pudding. Then a layer of mocha whipped cream. And then we repeat. But after adding the second helping of cherry filling, do us a favor, try to keep 1 cherry and a little bit of that juiciness bit to the side. Once that second layer of chocolate pudding has been added, smooth it out. Then tuck in the remaining bits of chocolate cake on the top, but keep the center area kind of free so we can then add the remaining mocha whipped cream. Check this out. Remember the chocolate shavings, the regular whipped cream, the cherry, and the fresh sprig of mint? Watch how we take the presentation of this spectacular holiday dessert from simple to amazing. Sprinkle the chocolate shavings onto the mocha cream, then add the plain whipped cream. It is the holidays after all, so more chocolate shavings. Then cue the choir of singing angels. Here comes the proverbial cherry on top, plus a little drizzle of cheeriness and a sprig of fresh mint. This dessert is a total stunner, and just between you and I, totally forgiving when you serve big spoonfuls into bowls. Try to get a bit of everything into each serving, then add a spoon and more shavings of chocolate. And just like that, ready to be enjoyed. Oh wait, not yet. First of all, I gotta tell you the good stuff. Full recipe up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a holiday dessert is this scrumptious, take a picture of it, post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Our show-stopping, scrumptious, sensational Black Forest Trifle. Super scrumptious, fabulously festive. Happy holidays, everybody. Hey. Cherry, chocolate, creamy. Love it. Yay.